Hello, welcome. Today, we're going to ask 100 questions and answer them. Are you ready? Let's go. Hello. Hello. Can you help me? Of course, I will help you. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. How was your day? My day was fine. Thanks for asking. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother. Where are you from? I am from America. What time is it? It is 4:30 p.m. What's your name? My name is Sandra. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a pet dog. How old are you? I am 24 years old. How are you? I am well, thanks. What's your favorite sport? I like to play volleyball. What do you do? I am an accountant. Where do you live? I live in New Jersey. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What's the weather like? It is sunny and hot. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is spaghetti. Do you enjoy reading? Yes, I enjoy reading in my free time. Have you ever watched the movie Titanic? Yes, I have watched Titanic. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Fantastic Four. Where did you go on your last vacation? I went to visit the Maldives. What's your favorite music? I enjoy classical music. What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is the koala. Are you married or single? I am happily married. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is spring. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the drums and the violin. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is Harry Potter, the entire series. Can you speak any other languages? Yes, I can speak Spanish and French. What's your dream job? My dream job is to become a pediatrician because I love kids. Have you ever been to a concert? Yes, I have been to many concerts. Do you like to cook? Yes, I am very good at cooking and my food is delicious. What's your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Thanksgiving. Can you swim? No, I don't know how to swim. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a pet dog. What's his name? His name is Rex. Have you ever climbed a mountain? No, I haven't climbed a mountain yet, but I want to. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I can ride a bicycle. Do you enjoy dancing? Yes, I like to dance very much. Have you ever tried skydiving? No, I am scared of heights. What's your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is tiramisu. Do you like to take photographs? Yes, I enjoy taking photos of the nature. Have you ever ridden a horse? Yes, I have ridden a horse. Can you play chess? No, I don't know how to play chess. What's your favorite season of the year? My favorite season of the year is spring, since I love flowers. What's your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is coconut and pineapple. Can you do a handstand? No, I do not know how to do a handstand. Do you like to go camping? Yes, I enjoy camping very much. Can you juggle? Yes, I can juggle over 5 balls. What's your favorite type of cuisine? I enjoy Indian cuisines very much. Do you enjoy gardening? Yes, gardening makes me relax. Have you ever tried surfing? No, I have not tried surfing, but I would love to. What's your favorite drink? I like to drink iced coffee. Do you like to go fishing? No, fishing needs a lot of patience and work. Can you whistle? No, I don't know how to whistle. What's your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is sports. Do you like painting or drawing? I enjoy painting. Can you solve a Rubik's Cube? Yes, solving a Rubik's Cube is easy for me. What's your favorite flower? My favorite flower is a rose. Do you like to go to the beach? Yes, I enjoy going to the beach and playing with the sand. Have you ever been to a zoo? Yes, I have been to many zoos. Who's the oldest person in your family? My grandmother is the oldest person in my family. Do you do anything special with your family? We have Sunday dinner every week together. Do you have any friends? Yes, I have four close friends. Who's your best friend? My best friend is Marissa. Do you have any friends from other countries? Yes, I have friends from Mexico, India, and a friend from Algeria. Can you whistle? No, I cannot whistle. What do you like to do with your friends? I enjoy camping together with my friends. I also enjoy shopping with them and going to the movies. Have you ever fought with a friend? Yes, I have fought with a friend, but we always make up afterwards. What's the most fun thing you did with your friends? The most fun I had with my friends was when we went to the pool. Did you enjoy this video? Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!